Good morning, everyone. I'm at my second hot spring for the day. I'm at Penny Hot Springs today. This is just beautiful. The river's right next to me. This pool feels like it's probably about 90 degrees. You can see the river's right next to me right there. This place is just incredible. I'd show you guys all of it, but there's some ladies in a pool back there, so I can't put the camera on them right now. I just love this place. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please help me grow this channel. No, it's not the best. I'm just filming off my phone. But I have many more neat places to show you guys. Hope you guys all have a great day. Bye.